Right, howdy folks, how are we doing? Look what we've got here. Our Sutton Cubicle sweeper brush has turned up. Very nice it is too. We've got, obviously we've got a hydraulically powered brush. We've got a hydraulic motor on top which swings it from left to right, and we've got a ram there which will lift it up out of the way and obviously gives you sort of depth control. Now, it's mounted on an A-frame like so, but not like a normal, say like a Cat 2, Cat or Cat 3 A-frame. We have the locking mechanism up the top. These A-frames haven't got any locking mechanism, so well, I've whipped the A-frame off the front of the little Kioti. As you can see, just a little front linkage on there, isn't it? That's your top link for the front linkage. And what we're going to do is, I've already started really, and I thought, well, I could do a video on this. I've cut some bits of 10mm steel out like so, cut them to shape. Now that'll fit in there like that. I shall weld that in, drill a hole. So this will be mounted on the front linkage of the tractor. Then that will go up inside the A-frame on the sweeper here, and I'm going to weld this bolt out. Weld this eyelet here on the front of that like so, so we can put 2 pins through to stop it lifting off. Because like I say, there's no sort of locking mechanism to stop it just lifting off, so that's why we're fabricating one, or I am anyway. So we will continue on. Like I say, I've cut both of these bits of metals to fit in there, one for that side and then another one for that side. So I've just got to clean this metal up in here, both sides. Obviously you need decent bit of clean metal to weld to. And for that I am using my old deburring tool, which is this is one of the best ones I've ever bought. I've had it for a couple of years now, and it's still as sharp as ever. You'll see in a minute. And that enables you to get in and just grind the paint off inside there, because obviously you can't get in there with a grinder or anything like that. So let's continue on. Let's fire this puppy up and get buzzing. Right, get that all cleaned out, see what we've got. Got a little bit more to do. And both them uprights. You can see it just peels the paint off a tree. And it'll start, like I say, not just paint, it'll like that, you see. I'll quite happily shave metal off. I'll get this in now, vice. Like so. Happy days. That'll go lovely, I reckon. Nice bead of weld all the way around there. Same to the other side. Job be good, and then we can. Then she's not far off being fitted. We've just got to get some taps fitted, because one of the spools does the front linkage at the minute. Like I say, we need 3 for the brush, but once it's on, the linkage will stay up anyway. So we won't. You just want to tap so we can just isolate it. Right, I've got my welding system on. Turn my fan on. It's going to give me 170 odd litres of air a minute, so we're going to be breathing nice and easy. So let's get this little puppy welded up. There we go. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Right, so now we can just clamp this A-frame into there, like so, and then we'll be able to weld the eyelets onto the brush and mark the holes to drill these out. Just like that. Right, so now you see what's going to happen. The eyelet's going to be welded onto here, and then we'll drill a hole through there, pin together, and that'll stop the brush parting from the A-frame. So we're just going to mount it on a 10mm bit of plate just to raise it up a little bit, and can then weld these in place, drill the hole for that, and Bob's your uncle, fan's your aunt. Oh, let's just use the flat disc on the grinder for this one. Right, just cut these little 10mm spacers just so we can lift the eyes up a bit. So we're just going to weld A to B like that. First of all, just going to clean it off. Right, so that'll go on there like that. Job be a good one. Right, let's do the other one. Got one eyelet. Pretty bloody warm they are, I tell you. This is the one I welded first, but that's still extremely warm. Right, that wants to be about there, I would say. So you see what we're doing now. That can be tacked into place. We can then mark on the plate on the A-frame where we need to drill the hole, and we'll be there. Job will be a good one. I do just need to grind a bit more out of that side there, as you can see. Right, we can now get that out again. Now we've marked it. Like so. Press that on there. There we go, we've got two holes. We need a centre punch. And this is what we'll drill it with, one of these two bad boys. I bought these the other day. My spiral step drills were getting low. And I went big. This one is a monster. A 60mm that is. That is a big arse drill bit. This one, a bit smaller, 45mm. Good thing about these, they've got big steps on them. There's probably a 8 or 10mm step. Because with these step drills, you don't want to be drilling more than 2 steps at a time, if you know what I mean. So you don't want to, you want to, as you go through, you want one step to drill its hole, and then get through the other side, then the next step, and it drills a lot easier. But that's what we've got to drill with. So we should be alright, shouldn't we? Right. Put a hole in it, punch it for the drill, like so. Lovely job. Right, let's get it drilled. Watch the magic happen. These are one of the easiest ways of drilling a big hole. Like spirals, normal HSS spiral drill will only go up to sort of 13mm. But as you see, these go up to any size you want, really. Right, well, that's the holes drilled. We've just got to remount the A-frame onto the front linkage. Then we can put it all together, put the bolts in, and job will be good. So let's get this frame on the tractor. Right, let's get it hooked on. That goes in there. So she's on. Get one of our pins. Bit of luck, they'll go through. Like that, see? That one in there. Can't come off then. Job's a good one. Right, so there we go. This thing is now just about ready. Like I say, it's got to go and have a couple of like a changeover valve fitted. Put them through here so we know where they are, and then we'll be able to use it. So look, keep your eyes peeled for the next vid where we're giving it a go. Should make a big difference to us, to be honest. Save a lot of scraping, keeping you lot clean. Yeah, so fingers crossed it goes alright. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little vid, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!